pew pew. Pew pew pew. Hold up, wait a minute. It's a chopper. It's a chopper. Hold up, wait a minute. It's a 22.
Hey GX community, this is GX Bob. I want you guys to do me a favor. Why don't you go ahead and go to every single door handle right here. Right behind the door handle, there is a plastic trim cover, and let me know if it looks anything like this. If you own a higher mileage GX460, GX470, it might very well look like that. But lo and behold, there is a seller out there, out on the retail market, that actually sells something that provides two things. A beautiful cover that will hide all of your scratches, and not only that, it will make that part of your door just so much nicer looking. Let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. Look at these, folks. The plastic trim covers that are not made out of plastic. These are actually brushed stainless steel. Not sure if the camera is giving this any justice, but in person I can see the brushed fine lines of gray within the gloss black material. Can you guys see that? Let's go take a look at another one. See how brushed it looks? If you take a look at all the more later year GXs, they're going away with the wood and replacing them with brushed trims, which looks way more modern. Unless you're okay with putting your GX in the same category as your great-grandfather's Oldsmobile, then this channel is not for you. We recommend channels such as this. I want you guys to go ahead and grab your plastic trim tool. There's a large slot right behind this cover right here. Stick your door trim tool in there and go ahead and flick it open. There's going to be a tab on the top and a tab on the bottom. Make sure you got both tabs out. You can go ahead and open up the door handle to help you guys along, and it should fall right out just like this. Let me go ahead and show you what's behind here. Here it is. If you look behind here, there's two clips right here, one that goes on the top, one that goes on the bottom, and there's a slide clip right here that goes inside this slot. Let's go ahead and take this back to our workbench. Folks, I went ahead and took apart the driver front, the driver rear, passenger front, and passenger rear. The driver front and the driver rear are symmetrical. They are identical, so there is no front or rear. You can mix match them. Same thing with the passenger side. They are identical, okay? So there is no front or rear. There is only left and right. So what you can do right now is, because you're going to be using the front passenger and the front driver a lot more, you can take the one that has more definitive brushed lines for the front. All of these are unique. Some have more lines than others, as you can see right here. This one has a lot more brushed silver, brushed brown tinted lines. I'm going to use this for the front because it gets more visibility. And if you look at the passenger side right here, I'm going to take this one and use it for the front passenger. Okay? What I want you guys to do next is go ahead and get a bottle of alcohol. Get a nice clean rag. And we are going to clean each of our plastic trim here, the OEM plastic trim. Clean it really good. It dries pretty fast. We want a good sticking surface for our double-sided tape that came with the aftermarket part. After you clean them, make sure it's dust-free and lint-free. We can go ahead and start sticking these on here. We're going to do a test fit first. Here's the driver front, okay? And if I'm going to push this on here, look at the fitment. Pretty exact, right? Look at that. Even the curve right here, it's a concave curve and it's still pretty exact. It's a pretty good template. So let's go ahead and take off our tape. If you feel this tape is a little too thick, in which I don't think it's thick at all, you can use the double-sided tape from 3M Scotch tape. That's a lot thinner. There we go. When I put this on, I'm going to go ahead and put my fingers around the periphery, so these fingers and my thumb right here can guide the border right here. To stick it on. I'm not sticking it on yet. Okay, I'm getting my fingers to guide everything to make sure it's on there evenly and straight. And I'm going to go ahead and apply pressure using top, bottom, and side right here. There you go. Let's go ahead and bring these to the vehicle. We are at the driver front. We're going to go ahead and open up our door handle. We're going to take our cover right here. The pointed end right here, we're going to have to worry about this clip right here going into that slot first. So we're going to move this in here. Okay, I'm going to slide it forward into that slot. And once we have it inside that slot, we're going to take our two fingers back here and pop in the rear part of the clip. And there you have it. Wipe it down from any fingerprints. What do you guys think? So there you guys have it, guys. 4 pieces for front passenger, front driver, rear passenger, rear driver for only $20. And it comes in 2 different colors. It comes in brushed black stainless steel and also comes in silver brushed stainless steel. Why silver? A lot of you guys will have this trim right here that you guys want to match it to. I know most of you guys do, okay? But for me, I wanted to complement this black vinyl that's right up here where my window trim is. And I also wanted to cover this right here, complement this trim right here, which is also brushed if you look closely. And here's the most important one right here that closely matches it, is your window switch. All of your window switch right here. So I want you guys to go ahead and climb through the camera and take this all in and just look at it. Look at it. It's an artwork now. We got rid of that cheap old plastic without making it look like something was sticking out in something aftermarket and something that doesn't belong on the car. We made that piece blend in with the whole entire door. And one more thing, guys. Don't forget when I upgraded my Navi screen, remember all this gloss black right here? Will help complement each other, because the more black we are going on this vehicle and getting rid of all the chrome, getting rid of all the wood trims, we're finally going in the direction that we intended to go. Our goal is to create a more modern look to our GXs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Link is below the video if you guys want to purchase this cover right here. I'll provide you both of those links, the black one and the silver one. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a chopper. It's a chopper. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a 22.